Hi everyone, Imani teacher here with our weekly phonics sounds. So today with chapter 8, we will review AI and EI. And they sound the same. They both are pronounced A. So let's review. We have A, AI, A, EI. So we will review with our consonants. So let's go. We'll say it slowly and we'll put it together and say it fast 3 more times. So, p, a, t, ch, a, r, a, n, a, v, a, w, a, n, a, r, a. So now let's say it all together. A, paint, 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 paint. A, train, 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 train. A, rain, 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 rain. A, nail, 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 nail. Now a, veil, 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 veil. A, wait, 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 wait. Here we have a, eight, 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 eight. Way, way, way. Next, a, neighbor, 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 neighbor. A, rain, 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 rain. So let's put our sounds together very fast and review quickly. A, paint, 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 paint. A, train, 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 train. A, rain, 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 rain. A, nail, 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 nail. A, veil, 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 veil. Eight, 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 eight. A, way, 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 way. A, neighbor, 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 neighbor. A, rain, 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 rain. So that's our A, AI, and our A, EI. See you next time.